Alright everyone, how was our day? Yes, a lot of people has been asking me how can I withdraw my honey. I think this question normally comes from those who do not relate about crypto wallet. Crypto wallet is just like your local bank wallet in which you can have access to your money at any time. This is one of my wallets. As you can see, I've earned over 600. Let me just show you in dollar. Okay, let me show you this value in dollar so that you're able to know the value of this. You can see right, this over 400 US dollar. So for me to transfer this money out, you can easily transfer your money out in two ways. You can easily cash out. It's either you know someone that normally buy coins, like someone like me, maybe you want to sell a particular coins, you can easily reach out to me and I give you a price. Maybe you want to sell $10, $20, $50, and you will send it to me. Just transfer, click on this and you send and you transfer it, and I will send you the equivalent in naira. That is the first way you can easily sell your coins. Or if you know anyone that normally buy coins, BNB, you can easily sell your coins to that person. The second way is for you to go and sell it by yourself in the exchange market, in which that's one of the reasons I do this video. I hope you get right. I want to get it through how you can personally sell your coins in the exchange market. For you to sell these coins now, the first thing is for you to transfer these coins to Binance. So I hope you get right. The first thing is for us to go and copy our wallet on Binance. So try to go and copy it from Binance. So just click on add fund. You can click on add fund, deposit crypto. Yes, BNB, right? You know you are depositing OPB BNB, right? So make sure you copy the right address. Copy it like this. Yeah, go back. Let's go back to our wallet. Click on it. Actually, I don't have any reason to withdraw now, but let me withdraw everything. So that you're able to know that the honey is real, my guy. Let me withdraw. So you can see that the money has been placed successful. You can see my wallet now, right? There's the money has. So let's just wait for the money to inflate on our Binance. Let's go and check it on our Binance. So the money has not inflated yet. Let's just give it a few minutes. Yes, as you can see, the money is now inflating in our wallet. Yeah, I hope you can see, right? So automatically the money is now in BNB. The next thing is for us to transfer this money to Bybit. The reason that we transfer this money to BNB first is that the coins is OPB BNB coins. That's why it's very compulsory for us to transfer it to Binance first. Don't make the mistake to transfer it to Bybit direct. So we need to transfer the money to Bybit now. So you can see that the money that I have in this Bybit wallet is 350. I hope you can see this, right? This is 350. So for us to fund this wallet now, you just need to click on deposit. Click on deposit with crypto. Choose BNB. Yes, BNB, right? Copy the BNB address like this. Go back to your Binance again. Click on this access. Click on send. Click on withdraw chain. Yeah, this one. Click on BNB. We want to withdraw BNB. Paste the address here like this. Yes, that is BNB, right? We want to withdraw everything. Withdraw. Confirm. Make sure you recheck it. Make sure you are doing the correct thing. Confirm. So there's a need for us to verify our account. So I think I will need my authentication code. So just any verification code you do, make sure your account is already verified before you process all this. If your account is not verified, you may have an issue for you to verify it before you can continue. So we have already placed our withdrawing process, as you can see. Right, let's just wait for you to deliver. So let's go and check our Bybit. As you can see, the money is not inflating yet. Let's wait. The money will be around 7 something plus. Yes, as you can see, the money is already inflating in our wallet. I hope you can see, right? Yes, you can see the money now in our wallet. Yes, the next thing I will need to do is for me to convert this money to USDT. I hope you can still remember that the money is in BNB, right? So I need to convert this money to USDT. So I want to convert all. So as you can see, the money is already in USDT now. So the next thing is for you to sell these coins. So the next thing is for you to click on this P2P area. So for what to sell the coins, just click on the P2P area. So we want to sell the coins, click on the sell. Yeah. So for what to easily get the machine in which we can easily sell the coins to, just tap the. I think the money will be over 800,000, right? 800,000, yes. Yes, these are the seller in which you can easily sell the coins to, and which they are also in that range. I hope you get right. So let's just pick anyone. Make sure you check the bank. So yeah, I think let's say to this person. Okay, let's say everything. Yes. Let's just click on transfer. Add payment. Let's add another payment method in case for those who want to do that now. The account number. Let me go and copy my account number. You can see the balance on this wallet, on this my account, right? Let me copy my account. I've already copied my account. So once you have already integrated the bank you want to, so these are the bank I've already integrated. So if you have not integrated your bank yet, you need to just click on this add payment method. So once you click on that, click on this you're going to integrate the payment method in which you want to deposit. You can see, right? This is how you are going to go around it. But in case, because I've already done my own, you just need to choose among the one. So I choose this one that I've already used. The first one, if I want to use Pampino, but in this video, the model is too small. I want to use GT. Confirm. And click on sell. You just need to type my password. I've already placed the withdraw. So what I will do, I will wait for this person to send the money to my account. After that, I will now relay the coins to the person. Make sure you do not release the coins until the person sends the money to your account. Hope you get right. The buyer cannot get the coins on your account unless you release it to the person. So the moment you get the money on your account, you need to go and release it to the person now. So in case for those who do not know about crypto, who are still starting this business, I think this is another. Though I've done a lot of video on the withdrawal, so though there's no one that is much to this. This is a business you can start with at least 0.02 BNB at any time you want to start. Imagine this type of massive return. Are able to earn this is over, and this is one of my wallets. I also have another wallet in which I earn for. So that's that. For those who are doing that in this business, maybe it's withdrawable. I want you to understand that the money in your wallet is always in your wallet, in which you can easily withdraw at any time. The crypto wallet is just like your bank wallet. I hope you get right. That will be all.